Okay. This is Quinton Lowe, CSC 110, Winter 2019 from Mr. Wellman. This exercise is Homework 5, Example 8. I started this problem by importing the turtle, creating the turtle screen, naming the turtle, and increasing the pen size and increasing the speed. And this function here is taken right out of the book. And I haven't changed anything except for inserting pen up and pen down before and after the turtle moves between each bar graph. That way all the bar graphs aren't connected by a line at the bottom. And for my edited version, I have an if statement, and if the height is over or equal to 200, the fill color is set to red for the turtle, and then I use the function draw bar to draw the bar. Then if the height is between 100 and 200, or it is 100, the fill color is set to yellow, and then the bar is drawn. And if the height is under 100, then the fill color is set to green, and then the bar is drawn. And so here I've run it 3 times so we can see the different colors. So since 200 is the fill is red, because this is also equals 200, this bar is red, and for 100, 100 fits in this category because this could also equal 100. So this one's yellow, and this one's green because it's under 100.